This segment is sponsored by AppleTree Schools.
Well, we are with Jamie right now here at AppleTree Early Learning Public Charter Schools, one of 13 locations here in DC. It is so wonderful to be here.
Thank you for having us.
You guys have a great story to tell about AppleTree. So let's start with that. What you're doing here and why it's so important for early education.
Yes. AppleTree Early Learning Public Charter School is a tuition-free, award-winning preschool located here in Washington, D.C. We exclusively serve 3- and 4-year-olds, and we get them ready for kindergarten. We have been doing this work for almost 20 years here in D.C., and we are serving students all across the city. We have an amazing curriculum, Every Child Ready curriculum that is designed exclusively for those 3- and 4-year-olds to get them ready for kindergarten and beyond.
Yeah, and when you say get them ready for kindergarten, they leave here going into kindergarten reading already.
Absolutely. Of course, every child is different and they're on the, different levels, but our goal is to get them ready and prepared, not really just for kindergarten, but even beyond kindergarten. We want them walking into first grade, second grade, third grade, fully confident, fully skilled, fully ready to be successful for the rest of their education career.
Wow, that's really, really important. With 13 locations, talk about how families watching right now can get their child enrolled.
Absolutely. First, you can go to our website, AppleTree Early Learning Public Charter Schools. You can visit our website. You can see all the information about each of our schools located there. Once you get to our website, you can actually schedule a tour. You can come out and visit all of our campuses, and also they can go to the My School DC website to learn more about the lottery process.
You know, we've had a chance to kind of hang out here a little bit today and see the great work that you're doing and what the kids are actually learning here every single day. They're not just being dropped off and it's not just playtime. There's education that's taking place here.
Absolutely. So our curriculum, Every Child Ready, is a nationally acclaimed curriculum. Of course, we only serve students here in DC, but our curriculum serves students beyond DC. And when you walk into our classrooms, you'll see our students engaged in instruction. They'll be in centers. It is play-based, it's thematic, and they are just from social emotional learning to hands-on science and STEM, reading, small group instruction, read alouds, you name it, they are doing it, and they are learning and growing every day.
And the smiles on all of their faces are incredible as well. Talk about the leadership team that you have here at AppleTree.
Absolutely. So what makes us a little different from sometimes parents will say it's a preschool, it's a daycare. Daycares are wonderful, but preschools are even greater, particularly here in the public charter sector. So at AppleTree, we have teachers in classrooms and we have principals and leaders. So not only are you getting amazing teachers in the building who know instruction and know how to teach students, you also have amazing leaders who are constantly monitoring, observing, providing feedback, coaching our teachers to make sure they're providing the best instruction to our students.
It can be there's a lot of challenges that come along with having kids, and it's a lot of work. So getting that process started sometimes of finding the right school for them or the right preschool for them can be challenging. If there's a parent watching right now that wants to enroll their kid, what's the easiest way to start that process?
Yep. Call us and visit our website, appletreeschools.org. Again, that's appletreeschools.org. Visit our website, and once you get there, you will see a list of all of our schools, all of the contact information for our schools, and we can get you started. Someone is ready and waiting to welcome you and talk to you and tell you all about our wonderful program.
Well, that's wonderful. And we'll put all the information up on the screen now so that you can learn more about AppleTree and start that process. Thank you for showing us around here, and thanks for the incredible work you continue to do here in Washington, D.C.
Wonderful, and thank you so much for being here. We appreciate it.